Hey guys! Radeem's here, and today I am going to show you how to get iOS 13 on iPhone 5s and iPhone 6. It's really easy. Just follow my simple steps. Let's get into this video. So, I know everyone wants this, right? iOS 13 is so much quicker, just look at it yourself in this video, you'll definitely see it. Also, I would appreciate a like from you all. Thank you. Now let's get right into it. So, the first step dudes, is to open your browser. I'll use my Safari browser, cause it's the fastest and simplest. After that, just type betaprofiles.com and hit enter. Now on this sexy page, scroll a bit down until you see the iOS 13 icon. Then hit the download button. After that, click allow. Don't worry, it's from Apple official website, so it's safe. Then go to settings, and at the top you will see that your profile is downloaded. If not, just try again. It is going to work. Then click it and hit install. You see that green mark? That means that it's from an official developer, in our case Apple. After you click install, you will see what this beta developer program contains, how does it work and things like that. I recommend you to read it, just to know. Hit install. And install again. Cool. We are almost at the end, guys. Now you have to click restart, and don't worry. You just have to be patient, and wait for the iOS 13 to install. So guys, wasn't this easy? I just want to mention that this is the developer program. That means that this is not the official beta program of iOS 13, cause that will not work on iPhone 5s and iPhone 6. Because they are not officially supported, as you know. I hope this will work for you all. It's really easy. As you can see here, it's a lot faster than iOS 12. And a lot more faster than iOS 11. Just look. So guys, I think this is all. Thank you for all of you. Please subscribe, I would appreciate that, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also go check out my other videos. See ya next time. Bye.